Welcome to Embry-Riddle's Canva Startup course on how to use Canva, a design tool which can be used to create various digital and printed items such as social media graphics, digital signs, flyers, and much more. The Canva platform at Embry-Riddle provides access to easy-to-use editable branded templates that are pre-approved and customizable. Within the Embry-Riddle Canva workspace, you can access specific university colors, fonts, and branding elements to ensure your materials are consistent and compliant with our overarching brand. To access the Embry-Riddle staff and faculty team in Canva, you must request an account from the Information Technology Department. A Canva administrator will be notified and will add you as a member of the Embry-Riddle Canva workspace. You'll receive an email confirming that you've been invited to the Embry-Riddle staff and faculty team, and from that email, select the Accept Invitation button. This will lead you to canva.com, where you'll sign in using single sign-on. You'll use your Embry-Riddle email address and password to finish setting up your account. To ensure the Embry-Riddle brand continues to be strong, consistent, and used appropriately, you should review and follow our current university policies and brand standards before using the Canva platform. Links to all of these pages can be found on the ERNI Canva webpage, erau.edu/Canva. If the left side menu is hidden, select the menu icon to reveal the main menu. To navigate to the brand assets and templates from the Canva homepage, select Brand in the left side menu. This will bring up the University Brand Identity Brand Kit. To see the brand assets within the brand kit, select the University Brand Identity tile. This will open to show all university brand-approved logos, colors, fonts, graphics, and icons that you may use within your designs. To ensure brand compliance and consistency, the branded templates have been designed by the Embry-Riddle Enrollment Marketing and Digital Strategy team. There will be additional templates added in time. If you need a template that is not available or want to convert an existing project to a template, please submit a creative request for consideration, which can be found linked at the bottom of the ERNI Canva webpage. To see the pre-designed brand-compliant templates currently available to you, from the Canva homepage, select the Projects folder. Then select the Branded Templates folder in the left side menu. This will bring up two subfolders labeled Digital and Print. The Canva page in ERNI will be your go-to location for all things Embry-Riddle Canva. This web page contains an overview of what Canva is, how to request an account, trainings, important policies, Canva resources, and internal resources. For additional support or questions, please email uacanva@erau.edu.